Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been really into graphic eyeliner lately and I decided to download a blank face chart and draw my own little concept for you guys. I wanted to incorporate turquoise so it would match my hair. So without further ado, if you want to know how I created this look today, then keep on watching. Okay, so the main focus of this look is going to be the graphic eyeliner, which I'm going to do after all of my face makeup, so let's go ahead and do that first. I'm going to prime using my Benefit Professional Primer. Now I'm going to blend out my ColourPop No Filter foundation stick with my Morphe M439 brush. Now I'm going to lightly conceal with my ColourPop No Filter concealer and blend it out using my Morphe M173 brush. While we're here, I'm going to quickly prime my eyes using my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot and that same brush. Now I'm going to set where we just concealed, including my eyelids, using my Morphe E48 brush and my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 05. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face using my Morphe M527 brush and my Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder. Alright, now for the eyeliner portion, I'm going to be using two Morphe M250-1 brushes and the Super Beauty Hydro Liners in the shades Freezy and Scrunchy. I have used these in the past. I don't really like to use them because when I tried them out the first time, I couldn't really get them the right consistency, and the blue one really reacted negatively to my eyes, but I am going to try them out again today and just see where it goes. If the blue does not like my eyes again, then I will just switch out the blue to pink in my concept. So yeah, I have a little water squirter and the hydro liner, so let's get started. Okay, so far so good. It is just one line, but I am trying to keep it as close as I can to my eye, but as far away as my eye where it doesn't bother it, if that makes sense. Alright, so far so good. I am not feeling anything weird. That's great. Now for the other blue part. I'm gonna keep, like, looking back on my reference photo and then filming, so it's gonna be a lot of short little videos for this, but it's fine. I'm going to do all the blue first that I can and then do the pink second. I like to just do one color at a time. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Scrunchy, which is the pink hydro liner. Let's pause the eyeliner details for a second and start working on the face. First, I'm going to contour using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit and my Morphe E4 brush. For blush, I'm going to use Holiday by ColourPop on a Morphe M405 brush. Alright, really quickly, I'm just going to apply a black liquid lipstick. Now I'm going to add some of the liquid liner around my lips. I'm going to do the pink one going from my bottom lip up and the blue one going from my top lip down. I'm also going to add some, I think, on my cupid's bow and my chin just for little details. I might do some on my nose too, I'm not sure yet. We'll see. Okay, I am pretty much done with the look. I'm not going to add any highlighter today. I'm just going to make the focus the liner and all that. So I'm just going to either pop on some lashes or put some white concealer on my lashes to make them white. And I will be right back with the finished look. Here's the finished look, guys. Really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe, hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!